Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special Bilimbi Curry recipe. It's a perfect side dish for rice. This unique recipe is so delicious and needs only 20 minutes for preparation. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 15 to 20 bilimbi cut into small pieces. Add 1 cup of crushed jaggery to it. Add 1 cup of water and cook on medium flame for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame and keep it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. Add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Keep it low flame and add 1 inch size chopped ginger. Mix it well. Saute it for 1 minute on low flame. Now add the previously cooked bilimbi to it. Cook on medium flame until we get thick gravy.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
When it becomes more thicker, add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Special Bilimbi Curry is ready. It's a perfect side dish for rice. This unique recipe is so delicious and needs only 20 minutes for the preparation.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.